Introducing Kindle Touch 3G, the only e-reader with always connected free 3G wireless. You can download books anytime, anywhere. There's no wireless setup, no hunting or paying for Wi-Fi hotspots. Kindle Touch 3G uses the same wireless technology as a cell phone. But unlike cell phones, there's no monthly fee or annual contract. And with wireless coverage in over 100 countries and territories, Kindle Touch 3G is a great option for travelers. Kindle Touch 3G has everything you love about Kindle, now with an easy-to-use touchscreen. It's incredibly light and compact, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Kindle Touch 3G has the most advanced e-ink display. It reads just like real paper, with no glare, even in bright sunlight. You can carry up to 3,000 books on your Kindle Touch 3G. And never worry about losing them. We automatically store your library in the cloud, free. You can choose from millions of books, magazines, and newspapers. Find bestsellers, Kindle singles, exclusive titles, and free classics. Over 800,000 books are $9.99 or less, with titles as low as 99 cents. Read reviews and sample first chapters free before you buy. And you can even borrow books from your public library and read them on your Kindle. Everything you love about Kindle at the tip of your fingers on the all-new Kindle Touch 3G.